My name is Nicole Keen. I'm the Operations Manager at Vasey RSL Care in the Property and Procurement team. At Vasey RSL Care, we're a not-for-profit organisation that provides home care, residential services and veteran support to the ex-service community and broader community. Before we were using FMClarity, the solution that we had was a standalone system. It didn't integrate with other software platforms that we were using. There was a lot of manual processes, invoice processing, work verification, PPM scheduling and reporting. We were looking for a system that integrated with other software systems that our organisation used. We wanted something that was user-friendly, so both staff and contractors would be able to adapt to the system. FMClarity addresses everything that we were looking for. It has an asset management system which integrates with the property portfolio sections, the PPM scheduling section. FMClarity is so visually appealing on PC and on app and tablet. The way that I see it is I could train anybody to use this system. That was a big win for me because I know in facilities that lots of different types of staff access the system, from raising work order requests to staff triaging the jobs to contractors viewing the jobs. So that was very important for us, that it was a user-friendly platform. I also really loved the work order request module within the platform. There's the communication channels within the work order requests, really centralises the process and improves the communication between all stakeholders. It's also a single source of truth for us, removing the need for emailing work orders and for job updates. Everybody has access to that data and in real time. So that was really important for us. FMClarity also has a really great analytics module, which we have found incredibly useful. We have data insights to our property trends, costs, work volume, distribution across sites, even work order distribution across suppliers and service fields. That's allowed us to review areas for cost saving, for budgeting, for staff resource allocation. That has just been invaluable and something that we weren't looking for in the first place. So that's been a real bonus. FMClarity is always so forward-thinking as well in developing their platform and their solution for facilities management. It's just great to know that the system is going to continue to grow and that we're going to be able to continue to grow with the platform. I would recommend FMClarity to other facility managers in the industry. FMClarity is a solution for facility management. It covers asset management, data analytics and reporting. It's a single source of truth for contractor engagement, real life insights. It has a dashboard facility also, which is visually easy to see your work order management, where jobs are up to, what is due in each month. It's just really useful, insightful data and really easy to use. I think that it's one of the best software platforms in the industry, honestly.